Alright, we're going to check out the deals at Aldi this week. I would get here soon because a lot of these Easter things will be gone before you know it. So they have these large gnomes, $8.99. If you're looking for a smaller version of those gnomes for $4.99, you can get these mini gnomes as opposed to the large one that's $4 more. $9.99. This is pretty heavy duty. Get you a 4-piece set of the glass bake and store. Spring framed wall art, $9.99. So $4.99 gets you this Huntington Home ceramic speckled tray. Different colors. Easter festive, all that good stuff. 14-ounce candles. It's a cucumber mint leaf. Not sure what to think about that one. Ultrasonic diffuser, $14.99 for kids. Party in a box, $9.99. A St. Patty's Day party pack. Embrace the Irish spirit with our St. Patrick's Day party pack. 5 shamrock glasses, 1 honeycomb hat hanging decoration, 1 banner, 5 flags, and 5 beaded necklaces with the shamrock. They also have the reversible block signs. This one says, feeling lucky. Let's get shamrocked. Let the shenanigans begin. Like I just did right there. For $8.99, they have these gnomes with the St. Patty's Day theme to them. That was nice. Alright, so some of the Aldi finds for this week. You got to get here early, planners. As you know, Easter is right around the corner, and they do have lots of Easter-themed things. They also have the Bremer's Shepherd's Pie at $6.99, but they must have had some fans of shepherd pies because they are completely out. And this is the first day and morning of the sale. They have the men's Henley shirts. They're 60% cotton, 40% polyester. $9.99. And they have the Easter eggs. It's a dozen, 89 cents. They also have the grass somewhere, or they used to, for also 89 cents. I guess they ran out of those. They have the Easter baskets, not that many left, for $4.99. Oh, here's the Easter grass, the small one. This is the filler for the basket. The lady was just saying that she had paid $3 over at Big Lots. They have the spring tray objects for $4.99. Bloom of Kindness. And $4.99 they have the 8 pieces of decorative fill. Looks like eggs. These are $14.99. The smashers, different types. You can get different characters, $3.99 each. Pig, lamb, or chick, and they weigh 5.29 ounces. And then you get a surprise egg for $6.49. That seems worth it. Good little basket stuffer. Chocolate and creamy peanut filled bunny. There's 3 serving sizes per in this box. Jeez. $2.75. And $7.99 for these Easter squish, 8 inches. These things are tiny, but $8.99 for the durables. Guess all that money's going to Disney, huh? And we have for $5.99 the Lily and Dan Toddler's Memory Foam slip-ons. And these are listed for $9.69. I thought the flyer said $7.99. Pokemon 10 set, $10.99. You need 10, so that's wrong. $5.99 the hanging basket planner. $14.99 is the dual head plant grow light. $7.49 the Crofton Rib Glass Canister Set. And this is $5.79 the Simply Nature Organic Chicken Breast, $5.79 a pound. And they have the Southern Grove Shelled Walnuts, $4.99 for a pound. Baker's Corner Classic Yellow Cake Mix, 89 cents for a box. It's a 15 1/4 box, and then here is your frosting. Cream cheese, chocolate, or vanilla. Don't see the chocolate. $1.19. And then if you're into brownies, they have the double chocolate brownies, $1.59. For an 18-ounce box. Double chocolate, specially selected premium brownie mix. $1.29 the chocolate chip or sugar cookie mix. A 1 pound bag of the mix. And $4.75 a pound for the family pack of the organic grass-fed ground beef 93.7 blend. And Baker's Corner miniature marshmallows, $1.09. Betty Crocker Reese's Brownie Mix, $3.19. 16-ounce box. So they also have the steamable frozen peas, 95 cents, and they're completely out. Seems like a pattern. Produced right here, so $1.99 gets you a 1 pound bag of Brussels sprouts. Yummy. $2.29 will get you a 5 pound bag of red potatoes. 59 cents for cabbage. And then these strawberries are pretty good. Although I never have luck with produce here at Aldi. $1.99 for a 1 pound box. Carrots, 99 cents for a 2 pound bag. Those look nice. And limes, I don't know that really screams St. Patty's, but Persian limes, a pound, $1.99. The Southern Grove Whole Natural Almonds, $5.79 for a pound bag. Almonds roasted with sea salt, same $5.79, and oven roasted almonds with sea salt, all the same price. So they have the pure Irish butter, $3.09, 8 ounces. And then they have the Countryside Creamery Irish butter, $3.19, 7.5 ounces. $5.49 gets you this nice bottle of maple syrup, specially selected, 12.5 ounces. $19.99 they have these small child's luggage set, and then for $6.99 a pillow, headrest, or blanket. And the steering wheel cover for $4.99. And this looks like a good deal. They have assorted colors for $9.99, a portable travel and game table. Well, who knew that? $7.99 they have the folding trunk organizer. Great solution for storing groceries, sports gear, tools, and cleaning supplies. And for $3.99 they have the Emporium Mild Irish Cheddar Cheese. Or the Mature Irish Cheddar Cheese and the Vintage Irish Cheddar Cheese. I'm not going to butcher the name, but we'll just say German style sauerkraut, $1.59 for a 24-ounce jar. And then $5.79 gets you a bag, a 16-ounce bag of whole natural almonds, or roasted with sea salt, or oven roasted almonds with sea salt. $8.99 a pound. You get the fresh Atlantic salmon side fillet, fresh, never frozen. $8.99 a pound. Okay, the lady just told me that they don't have the dark Morello cherries for $1.99. So for $7.99 you can get the Etch-a-Sketch, a very mini-size Etch-a-Sketch, or a smaller size Rubik's Cube, world's #1 puzzle. So they have the 6-ounce bags of the sliced almonds, slivered almonds, $2.99. Wireless car charger, $19.99. Combines wireless charging with a car vent phone dock. Cordless car vacuum, $14.99. $7.99 gets you this farmhouse kitchen accessory. So butter or utensils. $7.49 gets you the Crofton Rib Glass canister set. It's a 2-piece. The smaller canister is 37.9 ounces, and the large holds 85.2 fluid ounces. And then safety first from First Alert, either the smoke alarm or the carbon monoxide alarm for $16.99. Thank you so much. Fremont wild caught beer battered cod fillets, $4.99. It's a 13.1 ounce box. And the Sunday Shop mint chocolate chip is $2.65. That's for 48 ounces. Creamery, $3.29. Unsalted butter, limit 6. They are completely out of this, so that seems like it's a theme, because we can't find several things and it's the first day. And for $2.09 they have the mint striped fudge cookies from Benton's, 11.5 ounces. So they have these mats, 18 by 30. Like this one, don't stop, be leading. Funny. $6.99. And they have these kitchen rugs for $5.99. So they have the size on that. Okay, so 19.5 by 32 inches kitchen rug. $7.49 gets you this Lux Square or Sphere decor pillow. $7.49. And then they have the chocolate bunny bark, $3.99 for a 4.4 ounce. $1.99 gets you this 7.1 ounce bag of milk chocolate eggs. They're solid. And then a bag of coins or doubloons, $2.69 for 4 ounces. $1.47 for Peeps. 10 Peeps, $1.47, 3 ounces. And then $1.99 you get this Pez dispenser with different Easter themed characters. The lamb, the bunny, the chick. I guess that's it. $1.99 the dispenser, and then 3 refills. 3.3 ounces. But for $2.99 you can get this premium chocolate Easter bunny. My guess is that it's hollow. .2 ounces. And you can get these chocolate truffles, St. Patrick's Day, 3.52 ounces, 8 chocolates, $2.99, or the Lucky Crunch from Clancy's for $2.99, 6.3 ounces. The Benton's Mint Chocolate Cream Filled Cookies, 15.25 ounces, $2.65. Then glass pitcher, $9.99. 7.36 inches. And then the Crofton tea kettle, $9.99. The enameled wood serving tray, kind of on the light side, $12.99. And then for $3.99 they have the spatula set. 2-piece. $4.99 gets you a set of 4 coasters, enameled wood coasters. $7.99 gets you the reversible chair pad. Kitchen towels for $3.99, different patterns, 100% cotton, and tablecloths, different patterns. $9.99. 70 inches round. This one's 60 inches by 102 inches, so different sizes too. They also have the electric griddle. 7 power levels, $19.99. Large family size, 20.4 by 10.5 inches. And $6.99 they have these little Emmy assortment characters. That's going to do it for the finds and deals at Aldi this week. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to check out this video right here. The first ever first-person point of view video shot going down the Leap of Faith water slide at the Atlantis in the Bahamas. Thanks again for watching.